Pampanga Rescue Team matagumpelang may kompetensya king Central Luzon Regional Rescue Challenge 2025. Ay report ng Ira Ignacio.
Kinilala yung overall champion in Pampanga Rescue Team king meganap as Central Luzon Regional Rescue Challenge 2025 anyang July 8 hanggang 11. 5 probinsyala ring Mekiabe King Rescue Challenge kabilang ding Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija at Pampanga. Penimunan nening Office of the Civil Defense o OCD Region 3 ing mesabing event. Miyayaliwang simulated disaster scenarios ingewa the Antimo ing Water Search and Rescue o WASAR, Mountain Search and Rescue o MOSAR, Collapse Structure Search and Rescue o CSSR, at Mass Casualty Incident o MCI at pepakit da rin Pampanga Rescue Team ing karelang tepangan at abilidad king pamag rescue, ustong atin sa kuna o kalamidad amalyari ken probinsya. Sinambot lang first runner-up king Best in WASAR, second runner-up naman keng Best in MOSAR at sinambot bilang champion keng Best in CSSR ampo MCI. Patunay kanuing tagumpena ning Pampanga Rescue Team na makasadyala ring sa koru kareng kabalen oras ning emergency. Ako po Ira Ignacio para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, Kimbalen, Susuyo.